So this is how you can get your Discord token. This video is for educational purposes, so let's dive right in. First of all, you're gonna need to be in your browser. So sign in to your discord.com and then you're gonna want to press Control, Shift, and then I. This will bring out our developer tools. So usually you would be put into network or your elements, but what we're going to need is going into the application. Once we're here, you're going to want to look for local storage, drop it down, and then look for https discord.com. After you tap on this, you will see a bunch of keys over here. This is what makes up our Discord, by the way. So, what we're going to want to do now is tap on this device right here in order to, full screen this. I'm pretty sure you need to do that as well in order to find your key. But yeah, once you tap on that, you're gonna want to type token and it should filter these out and you will see your token right here. Now, for obvious reasons, I cannot be showing you my token because that's only for me. Like, that is for my account. And if you want to find your token, then of course you can't really share it with anyone else. So type in token, TOKEN in this filter right here, and it should appear over here. It should say token, and then the numbers of the token, like the code of that token, should be right here. You can just copy it and then use it wherever you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video. That is how you can find your token on Discord. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye. To all my neighbors.